Extra nice people are selfless.
Okay.
ठीक है. I feel like unbelievable nice is when you're not on that list only. Because actors, they create their own like fan pages,
100%
meme
they do.
page. Most people who scroll Instagram, they don't know कि 90% of these memes की team ने ही बनाई है.
हाँ, exactly.
You know, everyone's talking about Katrina being pregnant.
Everybody
Everyone knows.
I didn't know.
You don't know. 10th January 2021, I had like 22k followers. Thank you God, I'm grateful. You know, whoever you believe will manifest your desires, that superpower will keep giving you more to be grateful for.
ठीक है.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
चलो.
We can finally start.
Woohoo!
Thank God. First of all, we're
Yes.
sorry.
For
That's-
being late.
That's okay. It's
For being
okay.
very late actually.
Very late.
It's okay,
Yeah.
boys.
And what are your thoughts on Babel Khan?
I think people on the internet are just used to being mean, but he's nice, yaar. मतलब see, उसमें थोड़ा सा desperation you can see, you know, because
In what way? Desperation?
he's so like he's like see, there's nice, there's extra nice,
Got it.
and there's like you can't be this nice. I feel, you know, life में कि कुछ तो है, you know, so I feel कि maybe what kind of reputation he had started with, you know, when he started talking about his dad's journey or, you know, his parents का everything. I feel like he's just trying to like keep progressing that, तो उसमें उसका
ज़्यादा हो रहा है.
ज़्यादा हो रहा है और फिर थोड़ा सा desperation दिखता है. But then वैसे भी I feel like internet पे people are they just need a reason कि what can we find wrong with him, तो उसे pick out करते हैं.
Where is the exact fine line between extra nice and desperation?
I think extra nice is when मतलब obviously you're nice and you know like you're doing your thing, you're like you're nice to people, but I think like unbelievably nice becomes जब आप like अपने बारे में like बिल्कुल भी नहीं like see I feel like extra nice people are selfless.
Okay.
ठीक है, which is that you put someone else before yourself or you put people before yourself. But I feel like unbelievable nice is when you're not on that list only. कि मैं अपनी priority forget being first, second, third. I'm not a priority for myself. I feel like तब fake होता है because we're all human beings at the end of the day, okay? I mean, we all prioritize other people above and over us, but I don't think anyone like doesn't prioritize. Like अभी उसकी जो एक वो reel viral हो रही है ना, where he's like, oh, you know what I'm talking about, the Tiffany
yeah.
event.
Yeah.
I think that shows a little bit of desperation.
Okay. So do you think that everything is just for PR?
No, I don't think he's a bad person, you know, but I feel कि now he's like उसने इतना वो कर लिया है ना, now he's not able to like draw the line or stop. And अब उसमें वो fake लग रहा है. Like I think everything looks fake now.
But it's like he is already, you know, like from like his background and everything is already quite like
Big.
he's already famous.
Yeah,
His parents were
strong.
famous.
Yeah, correct.
So do you think he has to go like an extra mile to, you know, be like super nice or very, you know, like good human being? And that comes out as desperate.
I don't think so, only because I feel like the kind of name that, or the kind of like, I don't think vibe is the correct word, but the kind of, I feel like impression his family has, I think it's anyway what they are, like very nice, very genuine, very relatable, you know, so I feel like if he can just live up to that and just be himself, I think that's also good enough, you know, but uska wo kuch zyada hi kar raha hai, because of which, don't you all think that, what are your thoughts on Babel Khan?
I think it's 100% a PR stunt. It's just कि वो hype में रहे, relevant रहे, तो लोग कुछ भी बनाते हैं, and there's a very big agency behind this. I'm 100% sure.
Yeah,
You
but
know, पूनम पांडे का death वाला scene.
हाँ, that was horrible. But okay, you know, I have a
It
question.
was a stunt.
कि
Yeah.
मतलब, you know, so I know this because I know a couple of influencers actually do it. You know, a
Yeah.
couple of influencers or actors or whatever. Do you think he must have created, like, you know, a lot of influencers, actors, they create their own, like, fan pages.
100% they
meme
do.
pages, you know.
Yeah.
So do you think कि like all of that is also a part of, like, I feel like
Yeah.
most people don't know, like most people who scroll Instagram, they don't know ki 90% of these memes or whatever that are coming out of,
They
you
are
know,
PR.
edits,
Yeah.
fan edits that are coming out, सब उनकी team ने ही बनाई
हाँ
है,
हाँ exactly.
you know. I feel like people don't talk about that enough, and people don't know that, but they should know that.
Yes. So I think ये बाबिल खान वाला भी it's a full PR.
It can be a PR stunt because I also found him like through reel only. I was like, bro, why the hell is a normal guy? For me, he was a stranger. जब मैंने उसको पहली बार देखा,
हाँ.
and he's like super nice to the like paparazzi and like, oh आप कैसे हो? आपको तो उधर देखा था ऐसे.
हाँ,
Wow.
हाँ, हाँ,
So that is fine. It's okay. But like I am seeing him on my feed again. I haven't seen any of his movies first of all, and we're still
He
talking
And
about
he's
doesn't
it.
have
just
movies.
come in one OTT ना Netflix.
The railway something, the railway man or something.
हाँ,
Railway Man में है
हाँ
वो.
वो उसका डेब्यू है वो.
Oh.
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ.
उसके अलावा he is
He's
nothing.
not come that much. No, he's not.
Oh,
He's still
okay.
in that phase of
Still
like.
he's relevant. That we're
Yeah.
talking
He's
about
very.
him.
I think it was that one thing, जो you know in the Tiffany event at BKC Geo
Yeah.
World Drive, जो उसने
Yeah,
किया था ना, that I think what must have happened is, मतलब ये बस मेरा assumption है guys,
हाँ हाँ.
that his like he must have done all this and his team must have caught on to that and been like कि इसको like
Milk
इस
कर
moment
सकते हैं.
को पूरा milk करो, yeah, for the lack of a
Exactly.
better
तो,
word.
the-
Milk this moment.
It's PR, 100% PR.
Yeah, possible.
Anyway, yeah, we were talking about like the promotion thing of Poonam Pandey.
Yeah, I think it was just horrible. There are so many people, okay, so many families in India whose like like over the world, like forget India, you know, whose family members have actually passed away because of cervical cancer, and you're making their misery a joke. Like I think there are 100 other ways to promote a
Spread
product, a
awareness.
cause, or to spread awareness than faking your death like this. Because मुझे पता, like, because I follow all this Pink Villa and Viral Bhayani and all so closely, I know so many of these actors gave statements कि we are so upset, TV actors or industry friends, industry acquaintances, they all said कि oh yeah, we are so upset about this and whatever, you know. So I think it's like,
Like if let's take your example, if a brand's come to you and
हाँ.
he's like, the brand is like we'll pay you very good amount.
no, I would
Will
not
you fake
do
your
this.
death?
No.
But it wasn't for like promotion, it was for like spreading awareness. There are two
I
different
No.
things.
agree.
Yeah.
I agree, but I don't think it's
I even know the agency.
who did it. Yeah, we all know. Come on, we all know the agency who carried the
we
campaign
will not
out.
take the name.
Yeah.
But still, yeah, big brains.
And I feel that even a lot of the numbers that, you know, they said ki this was the search, this after doing the campaign with Poonam Pandey, this that I've heard and I know that a lot of the numbers were also like just fake.
Yeah.
You know, जो उन्होंने दिखाया था कि अरे we did this, we know it was wrong, but look at the impact. And that also got like they got caught in the mess of that.
Yeah.
But I think the agency, the whole execution worked really well because still we are talking about it.
Yeah.
That's what they wanted. They wanted Poonam Pandey to
Yeah.
be relevant.
So
and
Babil
Yeah,
Khan,
yeah,
you're
yeah.
talking about
we have
how
talking about
publicity is
Poonam
We're
that.
Pandey.
talking about.
Yeah.
So yeah, congratulations,
Yeah.
motherfuckers, you
Successful.
won.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You own a marketing agency as well.
Yes, social media and content
Social
agency.
media agency. Would you do something like this or something
For your
similar?
clients,
No.
would you suggest someone like if someone desperately wants to be relevant or want numbers?
No, I don't think
Freakings
so.
did a campaign with क्या है वो यार एक सेकंड अभिषेक वो यार वो जो अजीब से कपड़े पहनती है
Urfi.
Yeah. So Freakings did a campaign with Urfi Javed where like where they are shot ki like Urfi got arrested because of wearing yeah.
I know
Yeah, that was a hilarious
Yeah,
stunt
that was
and
funny.
and then they made like the video of like the so there was a
BTS.
collaboration
Ha,
video
ha,
of like her new collection with Freakings is coming.
I'm thinking about it and laughing.
Exactly. I also believed that she got arrested because of wearing those type of clothes. But like the
stupid.
video came out and it was like Urfi Javed was in jail.
Huh.
The whole campaign video was
Was
shot in
around
jail.
that.
It was like
Yeah.
That is a good thought.
Yeah, see, a lot of audience and community had mixed reviews on that, but I feel that was still like okay.
fun.
Okay.
It was fun. But this dude, you've like
Killed.
killed yourself. Aren't you ashamed?
Will you kill yourself for this?
I mean, it depends. If I'm
Like, let's
sweating-
suppose if you kill yourself and then mixed fruits get better. Will you?
Sure.
Sure. I will.
It depends also. So she must have thought, ki, bro, it's for awareness. So she did it.
Yeah, maybe. I don't
So,
know.
by what we have discussed, it seems that you're very interested in Bollywood gossips and all.
Haan. Yeah,
Viral Bihani, Pink Villa,
Do you have any personal gossip
Bollywood gossip, या personal gossip.
which is not on Pink Villa yet?
Yet.
No, everyone knows. Everyone's talking about Katrina being pregnant.
Katrina being, yeah.
That too, I think everyone
Everybody knows.
knows.
I didn't know.
You didn't know? Acha, okay. So,
None
theek
of
hai.
your business.
I think that, but I think I enjoy listening to and consuming gossip, like in an environment. But I'm very careful about what I speak from my mouth.
Oh, so you are
You know,
like,
हाँ, because मैं हमेशा वही सोचती हूँ कि like I've had experiences where I've realized कि you should never say never in life. Life में कुछ भी हो सकता है. Never say I will never do this. I will never date a boy like this. I will never not do this, you know, or I will never like do this for someone. फिर life puts you in situations कि आपको करना पड़ता है. So I always like I like consuming, I like listening. But I don't like. I think my personality is only like that, you know. Like I talk about it maybe, or like I like hearing all this, but मैं इतना बोलती नहीं हूँ. Because I feel कि life में किसी के भी साथ कुछ भी हो सकता है.
कोई कहीं भी मिल सकता
कोई
है.
कहीं भी मिल सकता
कोई
है.
बात कहीं भी फट सकती है.
हाँ.
सही बात है.
So calculative you should be.
Well, like we haven't met like पहले से. We just met, and
हाँ.
what I've realized is you do clarify whatever you say.
हाँ,
I don't mean
हाँ.
this.
Yeah.
Hardik is sweet,
I'm a very
but he's
safe
an asshole also.
Like, can I tell you? I'm very like I'll say whatever I want to say, and then I'll be like,
Don't mind that. Don't mind that.
don't mind now. Like, you know that's. अरे यार, who is it यार? पता नहीं कहाँ पे. I feel like, you know, that train scene is there of Geet and Aditya and
Yeah.
Jab We Met.
Yeah.
You know the way she's like कि अरे I know, मुझे पता है तुम्हारी problem क्या है. You know when she's like telling him कि क्या हुआ, talk to me. I think I'm like that, but I'm very like I'm a very safe person. I'm very on the fence.
On the fence.
You know.
That's not safe for others then.
Yeah.
You can fall on either side.
But all my friends tell me that you're too diplomatic sometimes.
Yeah.
You know, and like I'm very like, even my family members tell me I'm very like कि मैं बोल देती हूँ सब कुछ, and then when I realized कि it's not gone well with the opposite person,
You
I'm
clear
just
that,
like
right?
कि I was just kidding यार, and I think मैं थोड़ी भोली भी दिखती हूँ.
Is
दिखती
that a-
नहीं, मैं थोड़ी भोली हूँ. You know.
See? That explains it. That explains it. But do you think this is a South Bombay thing?
People who, let me just give you the context. People who don't know, she is from Southwest Bombay.
Southwest Bombay girl.
Southwest Bombay girl, which is Malabar Hills.
Damn.
Damn. मतलब अगर कुनार को मैं even if we'll work our ass off
चुप
for
कर
next
दो तुम दोनों.
15 years, probably still will be able to afford a 2 BHK in Andheri,
2
but
BHK?
not in Malabar Hills.
I all mad.
See?
I will just. I don't want to say anything. I don't want to be on the fence.
How's life from like you're born and brought up in Bombay, right?
Yeah.
Southwest Bombay. So you have been living from day one in Malabar.
In
Hills?
Nepean Road, Malabar Hill. Yeah.
Oh damn.
क्या बोलेगी भाई क्या?
I stay in Nepean Road, Malabar Hill.
Nepean Road.
हाँ मतलब
रोड है
there.
यार, कोई
Okay.
हमें नहीं
हाँ,
पता
हाँ.
है.
ऐसा बोला ही नहीं जाता भाई.
Non-relatable things. I only know Andheri, Ville Parle, Bandra, that's it.
Goregaon.
ठीक है. So how's life in South Bombay?
In Bombay in general.
नहीं, in Bombay people tell everything है. सब बता देते हैं लोग.
हाँ तो South Bombay में भी it's the same only as it's over here.
No,
Machli
no,
की
The
smell
only
आती है
difference is South Bombay people are on time. If they're told that you should reach for a podcast shoot at 2 o'clock, they are here by 2:15. But I think people outside Bombay or people who are, you
It
know,
takes
like in
time from
Andheri,
Ville Parle.
they come. वो लोग उनका मतलब what is it called? उनका आगमन ही happens at 4 o'clock, you know. So I think people in South Bombay are on time, but nahi, it's the same only. Life is the same, and the only difference is here there are autos. वहाँ पे we have.
वहाँ पे ऑटो ही नहीं होता ना.
नहीं वहाँ पे हमारी काली पीली होती है taxi. Yeah.
Taxis, okay.
ऑटो की औकात ही नहीं है भाई उधर जाने
But
की.
can I tell you? I think one thing I've realized is like, मतलब of course I'm making a very generalized statement, but I've noticed that purchasing power, a lot of it has come more towards this side of like I feel like a lot of people are more like Like I feel like South Bombay, you know, like because I have a social media and content agency, because I've spoken to so many like, you know, these brand owners who have different products and stuff for a certain target market. They feel like in South Bombay people are more like about talk, but purchasing power jo hai at least abhi, or like, you know, that is more this side of town.
Suburbs में.
Like a lot of, you know, like South Bombay, वो तो मुझे भी पता है, South Bombay थोड़ा सा शोर शराबा it is. But I love where I stay. Touch it.
Just to get some clarification about like the Malabar thing, is like most of the property there like hereditary for
Yeah,
people?
I think so, yeah.
I think that's
yeah.
the reason
That's
why
also one
spending
thing.
power is higher
Very less.
here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not very. It's not less. It's comparative.
No, it's not less, and also I think it's just also about mindset.
It's like they already have it, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe, I don't know, but yeah, like a lot of it. And see, because even today, like let's say if you know, 25, 26-year-old, okay, someone like our age, a little older than us, wants to buy their flat, most people will end up then staying in those you know, high rises, yeah, jo lifestyle buildings, as we say, you know, we call them, in like Worli side or Lower Parel onwards or Prabha Devi side. And you know, this because also there aren't too many of them in, you know, let's say Kaf Parade, Malabar Hill, Kolaba. Like of course they're there, but not too many. And I also think कि वहाँ पे space is, like in South Bombay, space is definitely
Less.
yeah, and
It's
expensive.
island Indian, I think.
It's what?
Island ही तो है यार एक.
It's not like definitely a separate island, right? It's like
Huh, of course.
yeah, it's a part of it.
Yeah.
It is a part of it,
But-
but still it's an island.
Yeah, but I just feel that now connectivity, like for example, today Bandra and Andheri ki connectivity is honestly like good. Like at least for people in our industry, okay, like Hardik, how many events have you come for which are beyond Lower Parel?
Mahalakshmi Race Course.
हाँ, उसके वहाँ पे वो concerts होते हैं, उससे ज़्यादा आगे
उसके आगे है ही नहीं ना कुछ, पानी है सारा.
पागल है ये.
Abhi South Bombay as in
नहीं, but that's what I'm
Kolaba
saying
में.
कि, you know, like of course there are events which happen in, you know, this, but 90% of them, so I feel like for our industry at least, most happen Bandra, Lower Parel and Andheri side. PVR, Juhu, हाँ, वहाँ पे भी बहुत
But
सारा
how
होता
are
है.
people different from this part of Bombay and that part of Bombay? Like you are from Southeast Bombay, ठीक है? तो and हम तो शायद
मार पड़ेगी after this podcast.
हम तो बॉम्बे के नहीं है. What is the difference between someone who is living in Malabar Hills and someone who is living in Andheri? What is the peak difference? कि भाई ये तो अलग ही झलक जाएगा. The tone, the accent.
Tone, accent.
Oh, clearly.
The
Accent.
accent, I think first is the accent is very different, you
Okay.
know. Second, I would say
Second.
so mean.
not
एक
mean.
तो accent. Second is I think your outlook on life. Like, you know, I think people who stay in South Bombay or Malabar now who have not really seen life outside it, like, see, honestly, at one point even I was like that. You know, they feel that around them is only like everything around them is only the best. You know, but like I feel like दुनिया मतलब
बड़ी है.
you know. So I think that is definitely there. I think when you're like a lot of people maybe this side of town, South Bombay, Malabar Hill side, or you know, like anywhere in South Bombay, they're like more like dependent on other
Like drivers.
हाँ.
मतलब मैंने सुना है भाई, South Bombay girls are like they're angry because their driver went to home to actually
not
he or
every-
she
I think
has a
that's
family.
Super generalized, and not all South Bombay girls are like that.
Except you. Fine.
No, a lot of my friends are also not like that.
Except them. Fine.
Some are like that. Like there are.
But would you want to move out of
South Bombay?
South Bombay.
Would you?
That would like conclude the entire
Yes.
debate.
We will move ahead.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
But never say never. You don't know what can happen in life.
But
right?
would you want
My
to?
friends are gonna have a gala time watching this section.
But would you want to personally?
No.
If it wasn't related to family also.
No.
Of course, everybody likes it. We're from. I'm in Malabar Hills. Shut
Will
up,
you
you
want-
Andheris.
1 minute. Would you move out of Delhi?
Yes.
Acha.
I have to someday. I think.
Yes, we will.
Yes, we will.
But no, I wouldn't.
Of course, why?
It's
why?
like the most like
the best in the country.
Is it? It's
think.
like the most
Bombay.
expensive place in India.
Yes.
No,
Like the real
no,
estate
even
wise.
Altamount Road and stuff are very. South Bombay, all mean.
Like, as India-wise, he was telling me the other day that like
South Bombay is pretty. Yeah.
Malabar Hills in
is
particular.
the most expensive
Malabar Hill.
place in the country.
per square footage wise, if you want to buy
Yes.
something.
Yeah.
Malabar live in Altamount Road and stuff is. So I basically stay in Nepencey Road. मतलब actually we can cut all of it if we don't.
Yeah, sure. we'll cut
नहीं
it.
मतलब ठीक है. But I stay in like how do I explain? Like yeah, I stay in Malabar only, but I stay in a specific area or on a specific road which is individually also very well known. But Google Maps पे it's in like
Malabar.
code wise it's like I'm a part of Malabar Hill constituency. मैंने वहाँ पे वोट दिया है.
Oh,
Oh.
did you guys vote? We didn't.
I voted.
किसको वोट दिया?
मैं नहीं बोलने
नहीं
वाली.
बोल सकते bro.
I'm
What are
not
your
gonna say.
opinions on-
I'm a democratic citizen of this country.
Of
I have my
Malabar.
rights. I have my rights, and
And?
a vote is a secret ballot.
Oh, nice.
So मैं नहीं बोलने वाली.
But would you want to like move to a separate part of like India also somewhere like?
No, I want to stay back here.
इतना क्या प्यार है bro Bombay
लेकिन
से?
लेकिन
Bombay
I've
से
heard
बहुत
that
प्यार
in 2-3 years South Bombay डूबने वाला है.
ये लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं, but नहीं, I don't know यार. पता नहीं. But no, I would not. Bombay तो I would not
मतलब you won't
prefer to leave.
leave अगर सुनामी भी आ जाए तो you will be a mermaid. मैं जलपरी बन के मलाबार हिल्स में ही भटकूंगी. I still won't be going to
नहीं,
Andheri.
obviously.
You who dies in Andheri? I will die.
इसको मार पड़ेगी.
I will die in my Maybach in Malabar Hills only.
नहीं, it's not like that.
भाई स्वर्ग में भी जाके पता है कैसे बात करेंगे. I died in Malabar Hills, you know. I deserve a better place here. You died in Andheri.
No, nothing like that. That's the thing. No, that's where my first thing came in. Ki never say never. You don't know where life will take you
Exactly.
or what situations God will put you in. So I'm like super spiritual and like
Do you believe
you
in
know,
God?
yes,
What kind
I'm
of?
quite religious, and I'm religious and spiritual both.
What is the difference between being religious and being spiritual?
इतना डिटेल में मतलब I
नहीं,
don't know,
एकदम
but
overview.
According to me, these are
Yes.
all yes. I'm a very safe person. I behave like this only. Through the podcast, you'll have to be like ready for
क्या
that.
बोल
but-
रही है ये?
No, but according to me,
Yeah.
I feel that religion is believing in like a superpower who takes care of you, and I think spirituality is more about like your connection, like that belief, maybe, or you know, like just that connection in yourself, as well as like that higher being. You know, like spirituality and religion are different, but also obviously somewhat the same. Like for me, spirituality and religion are very different. Like for me, I feel like religion is like, I don't know how to explain. Like for me, spirituality, at least I can say, is like just faith, and I think religion is just like a way of life, maybe,
Okay.
if that makes sense.
I personally think it's the opposite.
Really?
Yeah, religion is faith in my opinion because there is no मतलब ऐसे fixed like writings कि ये मानना पड़ेगा सबको, and it's very subjective because there are so many religions.
Correct.
Not there's just one spiritual feel or whatever that is.
Yeah.
So I feel faith is in religion and maybe the what did you say the other thing?
Spirituality is a way of life.
Yeah.
No, I think
Maybe
मेरे
looking
हिसाब से
inside.
religion is that you have higher powers which you have to
Yeah.
answer, and spirituality is all about yourself. Your inner self.
Yeah, fair enough.
मानता है तू भगवान में?
I believe in that.
But
Y'all believe in
I
God?
do
You believe in God?
yeah,
I
a lot.
believe in
हाँ,
God.
I know you believe in God.
In what way?
Tuesday you follow na, even he
Yeah.
follows.
Guys don't eat chicken on Tuesday. On Monday.
मतलब you follow specifically as a non-veg eater तो.
Yeah.
Guys, it
Right.
doesn't matter
Right.
if you are clean from heart.
तुम्हारा माइक गिर जाएगा फिर.
हाँ नहीं मतलब everyone has their own.
Yeah.
I am going to stop giving disclaimers. It's fine.
विवाद की बातें कर रहे हो.
You know how they say that like Saturdays पे you should wear black. वैसा कुछ है ना कि Saturdays हनुमान जी का day तो you should wear black. वैसा कुछ है हाँ. Ask your moms like
Like
it's
it
a
is
thing.
yellow के लिए I know. Yellow is Thursday. I guess.
Tuesday is हनुमान जी का
हाँ पता
दिन,
नहीं but
and you have to wear
you're
orange.
so oh my god. नहीं but there is a thing that on Mondays you should wear a specific color
Yeah,
Tuesday.
there is something.
When
Like that.
Okay, we'll come back to Malabar Hill.
No.
नहीं यार, now separate topic. Now I'm bored of this topic.
So yeah, we're talking about spirituality in general. Do you think like someone made us in general? मतलब कोई तो
So
था.
I genuinely believe that superpower is there. That superpower definitely exists, and also like I don't know. Like I just feel like someone is there, yaar, to watch out for. Like it's good having that faith, no?
Faith
Yeah.
and
And do you
fear.
believe in karma though?
Yeah.
Have you done
because of the-
something?
So I'm actually Jain, correct? And I think Jainism ka a lot of principles and a lot of like part of our religion is karma based.
Like I have heard that जो proper एकदम core level Jains होते हैं वो लोग कपड़े भी नहीं पहनते.
क्या?
हाँ, नहीं मतलब that's a certain, so within Jainism also there are different sections, correct? So in a certain section के जो priests होते हैं they don't wear.
They don't wear. Why?
Yeah, I don't know because I'm not a part of that thing. तो मुझे इतना सच में like I don't know that much about I should be ashamed to say this, but I don't know that much about Jainism. I know like certain parts about my section, you know, in Jainism.
Do you feel that like as you follow all those like rules?
As हाँ, like in Jainism I follow like Paryushan, जो हमारा 8 days का होता है. I'm sure you all must have heard of it.
No.
What?
We're from north. In north you don't.
You
have.
must have heard of it. हाँ?
North में
Could you
इतने-
explain
इतने
to the
Jain नहीं है.
layman people who don't understand?
Yeah, Paryushan is basically like an 8-day spiritual festival, spiritual and religious festival for Jains, wherein you know you sort of you do like you happily do tyag of certain things in those 8 days. Like they're like it's the most like 8 most important days of the year for Jains. You know, like for example, we don't have green vegetables during those 8 days, so we have like pulses and all. A lot of people fast for those 8 days, like they only have water. A lot of people have food before sunset.
Okay.
You know, on those 8 days, a lot of people have boiled water only. A lot of people like really do like Bhagwan ki aradhana, puja, you know, during those 8 days. So it's a very like spiritual sort of, and I know so many Jains who, you know, have non-Jain outside home and everything, but like a lot of a lot of Jains for those 8 days, they're really focused on, you know, like they follow Paryushan properly.
It's like all of the religions are sort of similar when I
हाँ,
look at it
yeah.
from like the broader perspective.
Like your Punjabi में you all will have Navratri,
Yeah,
right?
vrat hota hai usme.
हाँ,
Then
वही,
there is like
वही.
for like Muslims also there is
Ramzan.
Ramzan is there,
Then
yeah.
for Jain this is there.
Paryushan, yeah.
So it's like matlab, in a nutshell, like religion, we as humans, I feel, have separated all of them into
Yeah,
like
yeah,
different
yeah.
like gods and all
Yeah,
of that.
and it's also like just live and let live, like just
Yeah, I
जो
also matlab,
भाता है,
feel.
okay.
Yeah, bro. matlab.
Okay, cool.
Do you have
Yeah.
temples there though?
In South Mumbai?
Yeah.
Yes, we do.
Or I thought it was too cool.
Or it's like oh वो question
ये लोग मुझे bully कर रहा है.
I'll go to club to pray.
No, we have temples.
You have clubs?
In South Mumbai, not too many. हाँ, Breach Kandi में है एक.
क्या नाम है?
I think पता नहीं अब वो चलता है कि
You
नहीं,
like
amethyst.
clubbing, partying and
Yeah, I
going
enjoy
out.
partying. It's fun.
I don't like partying
Why?
at all. It's
I'm
like
neutral.
it's I to hate, bro. Genuine hate. I can't play my own songs. I'm getting pushed everywhere. In Bombay, though, the clubbing scene is like a.
So I'll
bad
tell
scene.
you, for me, like the partying culture has been key. मतलब see 2021, 2022, everything like started opening up a lot more. People started coming out. तब बहुत मजा आता था because that time I used to meet all my college friends. Everyone used to like come out, party. Clubs were like full, of course, but like पता नहीं like it was just like fun, you know. Then there was a phase where everything, like you said, became so crowded कि मजा ही नहीं आता था, you know. And now I think I'm like I can't go out like on more than one night in a weekend. Like मैं थोड़ी old हो रही हूँ शायद. But I can't like go like partying. Like I enjoy my own space. As much as I enjoy partying, like I enjoy my own space. Like many times, like my parents are going out. Like my parents are like, "Chal हमारे साथ, we'll go on a drive, or you come with us." I'm like, no, I just want to stay home alone and do my own thing.
मतलब बुड्ढी हो रही हो.
हाँ शायद.
This is like the most unique and cute accent on mixed fruit.
How sweet. But yeah, that's why that's what I'm saying. At one point I used to like, and it's not even like about like enjoying like the vices part of it. you know. But I just enjoyed like dancing and, you know, dressing up.
What is
and,
the
like,
vices
clicking
part of like
photos
going
and
to the
all.
clubs?
I don't know.
Yeah, what
Like
is
just
the
smoking,
vices?
drinking, whatever people do.
Oh, you call it vices?
Nee, I'm just saying like a
I mean,
different
you're getting older, I guess.
Okay, next topic.
How was your college life? मतलब कौन से college में थे तू?
I was in HR.
What did you study?
I studied Bachelor's of Management Studies, BMS, with honors.
HR is in South Bombay only?
Yes.
Where?
It's a
Church
college,
Gate.
right?
Churchgate. So your whole life has been around.
My school was there, college was there. Creator events के लिए मैं बहुत बैंड अंधेरी आने लगी. Then I started becoming more acquainted with it.
Used to it.
Yeah, and
Takes
now
time,
I'm like
bro.
comfortable.
Yeah, it takes time, bro. I get it, yeah. It is very difficult, you know. Someone
Getting
being
pissed.
Sobo and then
Getting
coming to
so
Andheri.
I am so annoyed at these two. Oh my
First
god.
world problems. you are same girl, right? तुझे मेरे struggles पता है? तुझे मेरे struggles पता है? मेरे को मलाबार हिल से अंधेरी जाना पड़ता है.
In a cab, not
The
even in
cab.
an auto.
No, नहीं मतलब I've traveled by local trains also.
आज ड्राइवर भाया भी नहीं आए. हाँ, we were talking about your college. How was your college life?
College life was amazing. I loved it. I think my college was best decision that I decided to do HR because
3 years.
3 years?
3 years, हाँ.
What all you did?
I think I was first year, second year में तो COVID आ गया, you know, but first year I was like super active in college festivals.
Okay.
You know, super active. I used to like stay in college till 3 a.m., 4 a.m., come home for 1 hour, go back to college. Like that, like 2019, my first year of college, best year of my college life. We did these 2 fests in college and I had so much fun. I made so many friends. And I feel like tab it was that scene of like you come to college at 9 a.m. in the morning and you're there with everyone till 2 a.m. और
Damn.
बहुत मजा आता
Well,
था.
I
It
mean,
was
my
fun.
college is also like that. But I was in the hostel only. सामने होता था हमारा college.
हाँ,
We had
हाँ,
fests
हाँ.
and all of that.
Yeah.
College is fun, bro. मतलब
College is damn.
मतलब for me,
I
very fun.
feel, I don't know like how people will take this statement, but I truly believe that studying is the easiest thing you can do because I mean, matlab depends on cost and all, also depends on many factors. But for me, I feel because uske baad there's a lot that you need to take care of,
Yeah.
think about, like you know,
Responsibilities.
responsibilities.
मतलब till
Like studying till you're in college, you're safe, you're good.
yeah,
you're
exactly. You're
secure.
safe. That is
Yeah.
exactly what I was
And you know,
coming
तब
to.
वो mentality होती है कि ठीक है, if this doesn't work out what I'm doing right now, it's okay यार, I'm still in college.
and young,
I'm young, yeah.
not even in 20s.
Yeah, and also see, I feel like we all 3 of us are very privileged enough to have this type of a conversation.
Totally.
True.
You know,
Totally.
for many people who are in college, it's like very tough because they're like constantly oscillating between
Working, and managing studies.
getting money, and finishing their degree. So
A
yeah,
lot of people take loans also to study,
Yeah.
Yeah.
which is like a totally different conversation. Like,
100%, 100%.
which is like, yeah.
Yeah.
It was a private college, right? HR.
No, affiliated with Mumbai University.
Oh, तो फीस बहुत ही कम होगी.
हाँ. Well, मुझे बहुत मजा आया. And now I think HR has become HSNC. तो like mine was the final batch of MU. And
Okay.
उसके बाद HSNC.
And when did you start making content again?
I started making content in 9th October 2020. And
9th
I remember the
October
date
2020.
also. हाँ. And why I did 9? Because 9 is a good day, no? It's a good number. तो मुझे लगा था 9th October पे शुरू करती हूँ, सब अच्छा ही जाएगा.
So your lucky number is 9. You think? according to
7, 9, and 2. Because I'm 20th November. So my birthday is on 20th November. So I'm born like a number 2. And 7 and 9 are good numbers. So.
7 is the best number.
Do you feel कि
हाँ,
मतलब
इसकी birthday है 7th पे. हाँ.
do you feel like there is luck, first of all, there is luck in life, and these numbers are like, you know, if I see, suppose I also have some lucky numbers, he also has some lucky numbers, so they can in life, like for some people it's 11 the people really believe
I'm
in
a
11
big believer of 11.
Yeah.
You believe in 11 and these angel numbers?
I don't believe that much in angel numbers, but I believe in 11 specifically as one angel number. Like I know a lot of people who believe in like, oh, 222 means this,
Yeah.
111 means this, 333 means this. I don't believe itna usme. I just believe in like 11. Like for me 11 is a sign कि हाँ ठीक है सब हो रहा है, like things are working out in my favor. तो ठीक है. So whatever situation I'm in, I should just wait.
Do you believe in like manifestation and universe?
Yeah, I'm like a big believer.
Like, how do you think all these things really work?
Dude, it happened to me. Like, I had manifested, you know, on 9th October when I started creating content, I said in 3 months, okay, I will hit 10K followers, okay, and मैंने vision board पे लगाया भी था.
You have a vision board. I also have a vision
Yeah,
board.
and मैंने vision board पे लगाया भी था, and 10th January 2021, I had like 22K followers in 3 months.
So like, how you manifest something? Like, is there a way you can actually get a specific thing if you want?
I feel that so there are two things over here. You know, one is manifestation is a very personal journey and it's a very personal progress. So maybe for you writing works, for him vision board works, maybe for me just visualizing works. You know, and like I just feel like manifestation is something like I learned that over time. You have to integrate it in your daily life. You know,
I just believe it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it shouldn't be like कि हाँ मैं रोज 5 minutes निकालूंगी to do that manifestation technique and सब हो जाएगा. Like I used to do that a lot, but now I've realized that manifestation is a part of, like, I'll tell you how I, like, it's a very funny thing, but so I have a digital vision board. Okay?
Same.
Okay.
Digital vision board means like on Instagram I've made like you can make folders, right, of saved posts. तो मैंने folders बनाए हैं, like for example work goals vision board 2024, you know, relationship or love vision board 2024, you know. And because I spend so much time on Instagram, whenever I see a reel or I see a post which I feel like I want to manifest it, I save it in that folder.
Okay.
You know, so I feel I've made it a part of my life, you know, so the universe knows कि हाँ ये मतलब ये हो रहा है इसके लिए, and she wants this, like I'm putting it out there and it's a way of life for me, you know. So I feel like I've just created this digital vision board for myself, you know, like I don't know, I just believe कि whatever I put in there, it will reach me at the right time. And again, see, the second part of manifestation that I was saying is that मैंने इस पर रील भी बनाई थी विच वेंट वायरल कि मन का हो तो अच्छा है और मन का ना हो तो ज़्यादा अच्छा है, you know. So if you're really manifesting something, like if you really want, like I had seen this even, like, you know, the actress Kajol, she had posted a reel on this, that there is a guy who's praying to God and he's like, God, please give me an ambassador, please give me an ambassador, please give me an ambassador. And you know, then God says ki okay, I will give it to you, you know. And then God tells him ki see, next year I was going to give you a Mercedes.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know?
God.
So मतलब मांगो, you know, but like have that faith कि अगर ये नहीं भी आया तो कुछ ज़्यादा अच्छा आने वाला है.
It wasn't for you then.
Yeah, everything is, I think manifesting is just believing कि everything is working for you.
Yeah, जो भी हो रहा है अच्छे के लिए हो रहा है.
जो भी हो रहा, हाँ. And see, it's also like, again, it's like to, like for example, in that scenario of mine, I had manifested 10,000 followers, I got 22,000. You know, or फिर situations, I actually went up to 29,000 in 3 months. And then situations ऐसी आई कि then I was busy in a college festival, so 15 days I didn't post. From 29,000 I went to 19,000.
In 15 days.
15
In
days.
15, 20 days, yeah, people started unfollowing me because I just didn't post.
Damn, that many people unfollowed. That's just sad.
Sad.
Exactly. You know, so I feel like anything can happen. But then I always like tell myself, if I could do this, if I could manifest this, I can manifest anything. And one more thing I've manifested. So I remember Hustle Rani,
Yeah.
Ankita
Yeah,
Chawla,
yeah.
she did this reel with Google, a collaboration with Google. And I looked at the reel and I said, ki, haan, ek din main bhi karungi. I also want to do. And I didn't do any, like, because I just felt like, haan, main karungi. You know, like, I'll do it. You know, I didn't like, haan, main karungi. Yeah.
South Bombay रहते हो.
कि मैं करूँगी Google के साथ एक collaboration. I didn't like save it or like that video, or I didn't like, you know, then like manifest. But I just thought कि हाँ मैं करूँगी और फिर मेरा हो भी गया.
Okay, nice.
Damn. But I feel, I personally feel कि at the core of manifestation, it is belief.
Yeah.
About yourself and the universe, of course. Ki if I can see holding an Oscar, then I'll get the Oscar. Like something like that.
Yeah.
And even if you, and it's that belief, कि even if I don't get the Oscar,
there's something better.
better is coming.
Totally.
Yeah.
So it's okay.
Yeah. इसको मैंने बोला. And do you journal, by the way?
Yeah, I do, but not that much because मुझे थोड़ा I procrastinate a bit in it. So I'm not very consistent with my journaling.
But because the one big thing that I've realized because of journaling was being just grateful in life and being content.
Yeah. Like that reminds me of this one thing. Like I read this one post, you know, and I saw it on a reel and then I read a little bit more about it, which is कि how does manifestation and gratitude work? If you're
Totally,
grateful
yeah.
for what you have, and if you have that feeling of I'm grateful, thank you God, I'm grateful, the universe or God or whoever your superpower is, you know, whoever you believe will manifest your desires, that superpower will keep giving you more to be grateful for.
Yeah,
okay.
You know what I
exactly.
mean? Like, for example, today I say, I'm so grateful to be on this podcast with Hardik and Kunal. I'm so grateful. So I have that feeling of gratitude. So I will keep getting things that I will continue being grateful for.
So you will be invited to more podcasts.
Yes.
So it's like I believe in that.
Yeah.
So if you're grateful, you'll have more belief.
Yeah. And
You'll have more
yeah.
self-belief. If you have more self-belief, your manifestation will be stronger.
Yeah.
And the loop continues.
You'll have more things to do.
Yes.
Because if
Yeah.
you are getting the thing that you already have, you'll again be grateful about it, and this loop continues. So
Yeah.
I feel at the core of everything, belief and
Is-
being grateful.
It's the most
Yeah.
important.
And we are grateful that you are here.
Yeah,
How
we too are very
sweet,
grateful that you're
boys.
here.
Yes.
How sweet.
And my name is Konark.
Not Kunal.
Yeah,
मेरे को पता था बोलेगा ये.
yeah, I am very busy.
कोई इसको से बोल ले कुणाल.
Sorry.
It's
मुझे
over.
लगा
बस
कुणाल.
ये बात खत्म होने दे. देख तू अब कैसे सही करता हूँ.
Sorry.
It's Konark.
हाँ, understood. Now I
It's
understood.
Sun Temple.
HARDIK.
भूल गया था.
We know.
Sadly.
Not ICK.
Archik.
कुणाल तू ना एक काम
I'm
कर.
a
स्कूल जा एक बार ना थोड़ा जरा
I'm
दोबारा से. जयपुर जा तू.
Acha, but tell me one thing. Don't you think Hardik gives very Kartik Aaryan feels? पता नहीं मुझे when I saw him for the
I have
first
never
time I
met Kartik
felt
Aaryan.
like नहीं अरे I have not met him either.
Okay.
But just like in movies or I don't know, like maybe his
It's just
outlook.
the beard. That's it.
Maybe,
Kartik
yeah.
Aaryan
I
doesn't
got
have
like I'm sure you must be getting a lot of these DMs also.
Yeah.
That you resemble. You really do. पता नहीं mannerisms में या फिर
वो तो
I
है
don't
नहीं।
know.
वो तो है ही.
करता है थोड़ा resemblance.
कार्तिक आर्यन के साथ आई गेस हाँ मतलब if you say about like हाँ मतलब थोड़ा सा
हाँ मतलब थोड़ा सा.
Yeah.
like facial structure and hair I agree yeah.
Yeah, some resemblances there.
अब हवा में उड़ेगा साला अरे बात मत करो अगर मेरे साथ
ठीक है. Thank you Iti for calling me smart enough.
पिक्चर का रोल अभी भी नहीं मिला है भाई को
मिलेगा
मिलेगा
मिलेगा मैनिफेस्ट
Man-
फेस्ट भी करे ना करे मैंने तो. It's
ऐसे नहीं करना है ब्रो ऐसे नहीं
Just
करना है
manifest, belief.
बट विजन बोर्ड इज लाइक अ वेरी गुड वे ऑफ रिमाइंडिंग योरसेल्फ
Yes.
कि मेरा वॉलपेपर है लाइक नॉट द लॉक स्क्रीन द होम
हाँ.
स्क्रीन एज यू सेड इट इज
Yeah.
पर्सनल व्हिच
Yeah,
इज
it's
वेरी
very
इंपॉर्टेंट
personal.
My friend had it on his lock screen and everyone used to look at it and he used to tell everyone कि proudly कि भाई देखो ये मेरा
हाँ
है.
मैंने ये
नहीं
मिस्टेक
bro.
एक बार की थी लाइफ
नहीं.
में हाँ
Since
So-
day one it was on like the home screen not the lock screen.
लॉक स्क्रीन या that's what I also feel.
लॉक स्क्रीन पे तो चांद सितारे हैं.
चेंज कर ले
Wallpaper है.
Yeah, yeah, वो भी
It is
बता.
a very important thing. It
Yeah,
is
it's also something related to
manifestation.
manifestation. If
It's
you
not goals written क्योंकि मेरे को नहीं दिखाने अपने किसी को तो it's
Yeah.
you know Naman,
indulge.
do you know Naman and
हमने एक पॉडकास्ट किया था with mind readers.
Okay.
So
crazy ass
yeah.
podcast. If
उसमें
you haven't, please watch it.
yes please watch it. I button पे आया हुआ. So उसमें है था कि there is a wallpaper thing. वो wallpaper customize बना के देते हैं according to your goals. And then if you keep seeing that wallpaper और किसी को पता नहीं चलता what it's about.
Well,
It's just you.
has it happened for you?
One thing did right.
One thing. Yeah.
Out of so they take
Can you
3
give me
goals.
that?
Yeah,
number?
3 major
Yeah.
goals.
3 major goals. I also have to make. Bro, please reach out. Well, I will reach out. So yes, but they take 3 goals and they implement it into like an illustration.
And then there's like just watch it every day. मतलब you don't even have to watch
Yeah,
it
then it's
intentionally.
a part of your life,
Yeah,
no? Bhai,
exactly.
like
It's subconsciously being manifested.
yeah, that's what it's like. I really feel manifestation is very subconscious.
Yeah.
You know, like many
That's
times.
the belief. That's the belief.
That's the belief.
Yeah.
Exactly.
That
Every
it's
time I look
happening.
at my phone मेरे को पता होता है कि भाई something मतलब ये होने वाला है तो होने ही
हाँ
वाला है.
हाँ हाँ.
होने ही
like-
वाला है.
like
हो गया है
connection.
भैया.
हाँ, हाँ.
I already have it.
Have
Yeah.
it.
A lot of actors and directors also मतलब have like a lot of stories about manifestation. Jim Carrey also had it.
Yes.
Like he had kept his like some $10 million check randomly made of
Made,
check out of like
yeah.
paper, randomly wrote his bank
And-
ID and all that. He kept it in his wallet for like 8 years.
And
And
it
after the 8
happened.
years, he had like $10 million in his account.
Yeah. I think manifestation also teaches you a lot of patience.
Yeah.
100%.
10 times.
Don't
yes.
you?
Kunal,
think-
you have to learn a lot
Yes.
कि
in that case.
बहुत patience. Like you just have to be patient.
But it's like patience also takes patience.
Yeah.
So-
It's
And if you don't
easier
have
said than
patience,
done.
it can make you a patient in the hospital.
Yeah, patient.
Yeah.
What would you recommend a person who is not patient to be patient?
I'm not that very patient, so I don't think I'm in the position to recommend. But I think just like in all of this, at least like कभी-कभी मैं उतावली होती हूँ when like I get hyper.
Bhai, South Bombay girl just said Utavli.
Wow.
Excuse me. Excuse me. So like sometimes I get really hyper, but I think just like you just have to know कि हाँ जो भी हो रहा है अच्छे के लिए हो रहा है. Everything's gonna work out. If it works out, well and good. If it doesn't work out, something better is coming.
Yes. So coming from a very impatient person who is now very
I'm
patient.
very impatient. Like it's very easy for me to say this right now, but in my like
मैं
applying
अपना
it,
बता रहा हूँ.
बहुत
Coming from a patient guy who was very very impatient, just take a deep breath. Things will fall into place.
nice.
I think this was for me.
For you and all the buddies
viewers.
who want. Is there anything you have manifested and you have achieved it? Matlab, apart from followers.
I need that 10K thing, Google collaboration, and there are a few more things.
Personal things, bro.
Personal things. Have you ever like asked the universe to give you love?
Yeah.
Get me that prince boy, please, universe.
From Malabar Hills.
From Malabar Hills.
Shut up.
Or
both
Breach
of
Candy
you.
or
Shut
Cuff Parade.
up. Both of you. I think yeah, like मेरे साथ ना like in this situation something like some experience happened which made me realize that the universe or God or whoever's like looking out for me didn't send me what I want but sent me what I needed.
Oh.
So I think वो मेरा एक
That's a
है.
perspective.
Yeah, that's a perspective. Yes.
like like when I retrospect now I realize I needed that.
Have you ever been through a heartbreak?
Hardik के question है ये सब.
Yeah,
Patent Hardik questions.
Of course, bro.
I think everyone goes through, no?
Like what you have learned from it.
I think one thing I've learned from my heartbreak is I don't even know how to like explain this, but like just that when you get into something, okay, like I don't feel like that particular situation which I'm going to talk about, an example which I'm given, ऐसा नहीं है कि like it's like a complete heartbreak, but of course it hit me a lot, So I think that one situation just taught me that like many times what happens is that we impulsively jump into things, so forget the opposite person. अगर तुम ही sure नहीं हो what you want out of this, just be a little bit patient and just wait.
Okay.
Because like
Clear.
just like see, obviously like we have like मैंने भी वही किया था, thought impulsively and whatever, but and like whatever, we're not getting into too many details, but I feel ki if like till you're also not sure, just just have that at the back of your mind and like just like remember that.
Okay. Like if you're not sure about something, don't jump into it.
Yeah, don't jump into it. Yeah.
Nice. Have you ever hurt someone
Yes.
intentionally?
I don't think it was intentional. I
Like
think.
you knew it ki if I'll do this, that person is going to be hurt, but
okay.
you still did it.
Intentionally, I have hurt someone. Yeah.
Hmm.
And no one is black and white. We're all shades of grey. Come on.
Damn,
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
a t-shirt.
We're all grey. No one is black. No one is white. Everyone like मेरे perspective से wrong था, किसी और के perspective से right होगा.
हाँ, वैसे बात भी सही. It's very subjective.
हाँ, बहुत ही ज़्यादा subjective.
Have you dated in college?
When I was in college, actually, I know I have.
सोचना पड़ रहा है भाई.
नहीं,
याद
but
नहीं
it's
है.
like, अरे मैं-
So forgetful.
So forgetful. Was he from
because-
Andheri?
No, because in I don't know how to explain this, but like in Mumbai, in a lot of places, हमारा 11th 12th भी college ही होता है.
हाँ.
Oh yeah, ये सब
Yeah.
बकचोदी होती है.
हाँ, तो
Yeah,
इसलिए मैं सोच रही थी कि
छुट्टियाँ
was
पे लगे
that
थोड़े.
college, was that not college?
So
वैसे.
can you like describe the tiers of education in Bombay?
So for us, in a lot of places, it's like till 10th you have your ICSE, CBSE, IGCSE board.
You were ICSE?
I was ICSE.
Damn.
Clearly.
bro.
ये पूछने की बात है.
भाई.
CBSE वाले ऐसे होते हैं भाई.
What is so clear about it?
Like people. It is clear.
But
only.
ICSE is like, bro, fucking tough, bhai.
हाँ,
Yeah.
and this is CBSE.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
ICSE
So ICSE till 10th.
Yeah.
Then college starts.
Then there are options, okay? So then either you do IB, you do A levels, you do ISC, or you can even do your 11th, 12th HSC, which is basically junior college. So you know, I mean, everywhere you all say high school, correct?
Okay.
Matlab we say like I did HSC 11th, 12th, so that's junior college for me. And then degree college started,
You're
which is
from
your university.
Commerce background, I
Yes,
suppose.
yes.
Okay, सही.
But ऐसे मतलब 11 12
मतलब आएगी
प्लस
इसमें
2 प्लस 1 भी ठीक है.
हाँ मतलब इसने ऐसे 4-5 ICSE
कुछ तो HSC what?
What?
Yeah, HSC is like Maharashtra State Board, na?
Oh.
Oh.
It's not so. Nah.
वैसे people in Bombay usually think they are from USA, so it makes sense.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. मतलब 11 12 we are junior high school.
We are in high school. We are in
Yeah.
junior college.
ये आकाश
Yeah.
गुप्ता का वो था ना स्टैंड अप बॉम्बे में.
Junior college, वो यहाँ junior college, like
Junior,
that's junior college.
अब
Like I
हम
was in
दिल्ली
junior
वाले
college
कैसे
and degree
बोलते हैं?
college.
मैं 11वीं कक्षा
एलन जाता है ये लड़का.
Like
मैं
for
फिजी जाता
example,
था.
for example, हमारे में like 10th boards are also very important. Like
Everywhere it's important.
नहीं, in a lot of people, in a lot of
CBSE
places,
means
12th
that.
boards are more important, na?
No, 10th is also
No,
very
10th board is not important.
It's not that
It
important.
just gives you
Camera.
no
I got a
birth
camera.
certificate. हाँ.
नहीं,
birthday
12th boards
certificate.
are definite, like 12th boards, like I think at least for me, like the background that I came from in ICSE, 10th boards were very important.
For me also.
Okay.
CBSE maybe.
How much you got in 10th class?
96%, 95.8.
And in 12th in मतलब junior high school.
Junior
Junior
college,
college.
93%.
93%.
Still commerce.
Yeah.
हाँ तो भाई अब
हमारे
subject
हमारे स्कूल
है।
में लेते थे भाई कॉमर्स वालों की ये कॉमर्स